Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here at VilstraX we talk tech and make it fun for you all. Have you ever imagined yourself living in a post-revolution dystopian sci-fi world? A world where our lives are made easier with cool gadgets and technology that is far better than any we have now. A world where we have robots do our bidding. A world where artificial intelligence is at every nook and corner of our lives. Just thinking about it gives me the chills. But we know that reality is far from this dream. Yes, our world is constantly changing and transitioning into an advanced society, but we still have a long way to go. So what do we do until then? Maybe we can enjoy the robots that exist right now. For that to happen, we should learn about them, and that is what this video is all about. Let me introduce you to the 5 amazing robots that exist just to make our world a little better. Number 5. Robear. If you are a fan of animated movies, you might have watched Big Hero 6. Remember Baymax? All of us instantly fell in love with that cute robot who showed compassion to our fave hero. He was a personal healthcare companion who was funny, sweet, and helpful. We have all wished for him to be a part of our lives, haven't we? What if I were to tell you that a real-life Baymax exists? You'd be jumping up and down with giddiness, right? Well, he does exist, but he goes by the name of Robear. Robear is a bear-shaped nursing robot whose purpose is to help the elderly. He was developed by the Japanese company Riken SRK in collaboration with the Center for Human Interactive Robot Research and the Sumitomo Riko Company. He looks like a teddy bear who is both comforting and strong. He is designed to take care of the elderly. He can assist old people in daily tasks that they are no longer able to do. Robear is designed so that he can also lift people out of bed or a wheelchair. The main idea behind its creation is to take the load off nurses in nursing homes. With these simple tasks done by a robot, the nurses can focus on more complex assistance. Robear would actually be a great companion for the elderly. Just show them Big Hero 6 and tell them that they get to have their own personal Baymax. Number 4. UB-Tech Robotics Walker. Ever since we have learned about robotics, our deepest desire has been to have a robot that helps us with our daily household tasks. We have wanted a personal robotic butler for a long time. Well, UB-Tech Robotics has heard our wish and made it come true. Meet Walker, your very own personal butler. Designed by UB-Tech in the year 2019, Walker has shown that it is more than capable of performing basic household tasks. At CES 2020, the renowned tech company showcased an updated version of their robot. Walker is a biped robot that can tend to the user's basic household needs. He is equipped with top-notch AI technology, which enables it to have proper control over its body and have static balance. The robot can imitate basic human actions like hand movements to grab a plate or set the dinner table. He can also perform all the duties of a butler. He can greet your guests, serve them drinks, and even do Tai Chi with them. How fun would it be to do Tai Chi with a robot? With features such as human-like walking and a strong grasp, he could also probably help you babysit as well. Another interesting feature that makes it different from the rest of the robots is that Walker is a passionate yogi. Yes, he is a robot and doesn't need yoga to stay fit, but he makes for a great yoga companion and motivation for us lazy people. He is definitely one of our most favorite humanoid robots. Number 3. Sophia. Sophia is the world's first AI humanoid robot who was developed by a Hong Kong-based company. Ever since she stepped foot in our world, she has been making headlines. Looking at her, you would never be able to tell that she's a robot. She's a delicate-looking woman who was designed to look like our fave star Audrey Hepburn. She is as human as a robot can get in this age. The AI technology she has been designed with allows her to act and behave like humans. She can hold conversations, express emotions, and even has a sense of humor better than some people. Plus, she has citizenship in Saudi Arabia. Sophia is truly a remarkable achievement in the world of AI. How do you know she's better than us? She isn't even human and she cares more about us and our planet than most people do. On numerous occasions, she has pointed out her interest to save the planet. She has also promised us that she isn't here to take over our world. Sophia has also become an internet sensation because of her tweets and Instagram posts. She has been to many interviews both online and in person, and I'd say it's safe to say that she definitely makes for an amazing human. Number 2. Kiritas. Growing up, we were all fans of Transformers and the Power Rangers. We were always mesmerized by giant robots that help humans save our planet. We have all fantasized about creating a mech and saving the world from evil geniuses. Well, our fantasies have come true, minus that evil genius and saving the world part though. Kiritas is a 3.5 meter tall, 5-ton giant robot that looks like it came straight from a Hollywood movie. He is basically a life-size steel model of armed troopers. This diesel-powered robot has over 30 hydraulic joints and comes armed with 6,000 round per minute BB Gatling guns. The hydraulic joints help him move freely. It also allows basic hand and body movements. It is a rideable user-operated robot, which simply means that a person can ride in it and control it. The rider comes on board the robot, presses a button, and slips into the cockpit from which they can operate the robot. If you aren't too keen on operating it while riding in this gigantic robot, you can also operate it using your smartphone. It connects to your smartphone through the 3G network and is easy to use. The 6,000 round per minute BB Gatling gun shoot at someone when the operator smiles. They call it the smile shot, and it seems just a little bit sinister. Number 1. Z Machines. How many of us are fans of heavy metal music and bands? Well, the Z Machines take their metal quite seriously. You might be wondering what exactly I'm talking about. The Z Machines is a band that consists of 3 robots, a keyboardist, a guitarist with 78 fingers, and a drummer with 22 arms, and they are the future of music. They made headlines in 2013 for their debut show in Japan. Now they've gained the attention of a composer as well. The British electronic music icon and music composer Squarepusher has promised to make a music video with these robots. The trio of robots, Mach, Ashura, and Cosmo, possess abilities that human musicians don't. The idea behind the design of these robots was to see if robots can make better music than humans or not. With their emotionally engaging music and inhuman but excellent instrumentation, the Z Machines have proved that robots can make better music than humans. We knew that robots would take over our world, but we never could have predicted that they would start by taking over the music industry. With the tech world constantly working on developing AI and robotics, it's no shock that such amazing robots exist. But these robots are just the beginning. Imagine the robots that will walk with us in the future. It's surreal to think about robots existing with us, behaving like us, and maybe even being better than us. Until our world doesn't transform into a technologically advanced sci-fi kind of world, these are the robots that we have to deal with. I hope you liked getting to know these robots. It was a pleasure introducing them to you. Leave a comment and tell us what you think about all of these amazing robots. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. The robots can't do that for you yet. Until next time, goodbye.